Which man me want for me Christmas? Tell me about party man them cheer for. Give me money come and Western Union. Fi marry big house and fancy car. You don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again. Today's Vlogmas day 9, guys. So I'm going on the road as always. Yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna see if I can do a full outfit of the day when I'm with my cousin so he can record me. And yeah, so we're just going on the road right now. Boy. Yeah, guys, that's my grandpa. Say hi, grandpa. Yes. So my cousin them left us, so we're gonna go meet up with them and go about our business. So, cuz, what is on the itinerary for today?
Going to Fort Lauderdale.
Going to Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Gonna link up some folks.
In 1.8 miles, turn right onto US 1.
Okay, guys, so we made a pit stop in Walmart. We're just gonna get some stuff. What auntie stop for? What auntie stop for? Oh, mask. Yeah, over here is different. Like, no one wears masks. Everybody's free. Well, I guess because everyone's like vaccinated here, basically. So, yeah. We are just walking through Walmart.
Oh.
What is this? Oh, that's how cheap it is. I would want one of these. Guys, look how cheap this is. Normally in Canada, it would be so expensive to put your skincare products into. Big body bands. I think I'm doing too much. This outfit is making me feel extra. Like, it's the pants for me. Oh my god, ew, I just said that. Guys, that was the first time I've ever said that. I hate that saying. Oh, I hate that saying. Why did I just say that? You get the duct tape? Why? Me just not like myself to say that this a while ago. Guys, I never say that it's for me or whatever. I don't like that saying. So we just came out of Walmart. I seen these candy canes and they just look so nice to eat. So I bought it. One is blueberry and I think the other is cotton candy. So, yes, I am hungry right now. I'm actually very hungry at the moment. I don't know what we could eat.
Yo, Dre.
Yo, guys, this song is bad. Me not tell no lie. The video nice too. Watch it. Alright, me I go cut it off before me get copyright.
We mall come like outlet, but they don't start it.
But I've been to a mall here where you go inside. Like, this is like Trinity Commons. Yeah.
You see, place which house not come like Bronx, like, you know.
Guys, this just looks weird. It come like all the mall them are like Trinity if you're from Brampton. Everything outside.
That's a free mall look to over Long Island.
So guys, I just noticed that they actually have this store here. I don't know if any of you guys been online and search for shoes and you come up on this website, Hot Miami Shoes. So I'm just about to actually go in there. Devante link up with who you need to link up. So now we just, you know, we just have a free day. Oh, they have City Trends here. Bro, they have all those websites in this plaza. Like, I always see these. Jesus, it's not good for turn back, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go check out inside there and see if I can get like a nice slippers or a shoe or something like that. Yo, I don't really need no shoes. I have too much already. But guys, they have a lot of cute shoes in here. Even right there. Oh my god. So much nice shoes. This is so cute. Oh my god. Watch there. Guys, a pair of hot shoes in this place. I'm just trying to find my size. Look at that. So cute. Very nice. Ooh. These Uggs are cute. Wow. Guys, I just had to come out of the store. Yo, there is so much nice, hot, fashionable shoes. I have a lot of shoes already, and I had to just dip out because if I stayed in there, I would have probably spent the rest of my money. And there were specific things that I wanted to get, so I need to get those things before I can actually spend like excess. But no, in there is literally like shoes that I will wear. The only problem are pair slippers, and I love slippers, but you know I live in a cold country, so I could buy it to put it down for summer. But yo, they're so hot right now, I'm telling you. So I don't know where we're going right now.
South toward
Yes,
Miami.
guys, so we are on our way to Miami. It's a very spontaneous trip because we don't really know what we are going to do. Not true, cuz, bro.
Yeah,
we don't really know what we are doing, but it's a spontaneous drive to Miami, you know.
Drive up and I know a place and people done nothing a joke. We're going to the beach and we're going to this mad club called Desarana in Miami Beach, bro.
In 2 miles, take exit 5 onto Alton Road South and State Road 907.
Okay.
Keep right. Then
Guys,
continue
we're
onto Alton
in like
Road.
Miami Beach area. Look at these homes. I bet some celebrity live there.
Continue onto Alton Road.
Yes, baby girl.
Alright guys, so we have touched Miami Beach. Yes, Miami, we're here, bitches. A joke. So I am assuming that we are walking to the waters. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited, yes.
This is my first time coming to Miami, guys, honestly. The only time I ever been here was to land at the airport, but me never come outside, so I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna find a nice spot and take a one picture. Even right here looks nice, you know. Take my pictures. Oh yeah, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me at Shickaa_Chung. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, follow me. You guys can see the little pictures that I've been posting from my vacation, because I'm trying to like put more content on my page for you guys. So yeah, guys, check me out on Instagram. Make sure you don't follow me. So we're just walking this little strip right here, and then we're gonna go check out some of the restaurant, because you know, so we love food. Yeah. Guys, down here, like one thing about down here, it is actually very, very, very hot. Like, not even hot, like humid. It just like all of a sudden got humid. But there's a lot of hotels, obviously, because this is a vacation spot. There's a lot of liquor stores. I would love to buy some liquor. That's right. Big body Chrysler. Oh, jeez. We're actually here walking the place trying to find somewhere to use the bathroom, but I don't know what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you.
I don't know what we are gonna do.
Wait,
I want to show you guys a quick fit of the day. My pants just need to flick up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. That's the fit for the day. This bathroom is so nice. Alright, heading out. You ready, cuz? We're just leaving this hotel. Hi. What's the right? This will smell like.
wow.
Hey, right there smells like shit, bro.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're just literally just walking through anything. We just came here, as I said, as a spontaneous type of trip / activity. So yeah, that place was just real pretty inside. All right, guys, so we're heading to get some more tacos. Well, you guys never knew, but last night I tried birria tacos for the first time and they tasted so good. So we're going to this taco place that's right here on the strip. I'll make it slow down. So yeah, we're going to this taco strip. It's actually right here. Taco. These are the drinks. The food. This is my drink. So we got these foods. I got a steak quesadilla. He got a chicken quesadilla. These wings, I don't like it. Honestly, I don't. Guys, I am so full right now. And I'm feeling kind of tipsy. This drink is actually very strong. It's called Mexican Sunset. My belly's kind of burning me. I know I'm going to sleep in traffic. And then I have niggeritis. How the food taste?
Belly full. I drink the food tastes good.
Belly full for true though. Alright guys, so we just finished eating. Like, yo, I'm super full. One thing I noticed is that I get very quickly full. Is that the word? I get full very quick. The rum attack, as you guys can see. I did not even finish it. It's, yo, it had top me not so no like tequila. And a normal something. I nearly dash a rum on myself. Guys, let me just cut to the chase of us leaving Miami.
Yeah, man, I make money and I live life.
Okay.
Money in
Me there, no. Me there in Miami with my cousin. Eat up the food, them where it's busting.
Oh, man in Miami just a live life. Drive some big rider.
Me there a step on them neck hitchhike.
Me not know them face in my pocket.
You don't know we shut off like a rocket.
Money man a free and seat ya.
You don't know say we are gonna beat ya.
Not so. Hey. Not the line.
Yeah.
I mean, I really lot of next year so wrong, you know.
Bumpy Scocks, me I tell you.
Where you get that one there from,
Bumpy Scocks. They want us number one for this, so we say bumpy.
Then I say, bombasta.
Me punsi mel my frat.
When time, bombasta, top ranking, yeah.
Yo. Guys, I haven't laughed like this in a long time, guys. Like in a long time. So you don't know, so girl feel good. And girl feel kind of happy.
So you go and eat chicken back. Long time she not eat that, you know.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You can't turn on a railway car with big bad Benz and a Tida.
Big body Benz. Yo, that's the talk for this vacation, you know. Are the talk, you know?
Okay, that's
Big
nice.
body Benz.
Next time we come here, we go at this hotel, we go there, yeah?
The one that look there still.
Here we blow school.
Yeah.
So what do we do there?
Yeah, we in there.
You know, we could have gone in a whole hotel.
But I tell you, we could have all go in a pool. I tell you, if you know if you scam them.
Only thing we can do, yeah, no room door.
Exactly, but we could have done every amenity because nobody no question. I'm telling you.
Hey guys, we're going into the city right now. We just left from the beach and now we're going to the city. My cousin Shickaa said I should do the talk for this one. Okay. So as you can see, you see those tall buildings over there? They put on the pretty light for Christmas, you know. So we're just rolling. We're gonna drink some. I think we're going to Taboo. I don't know yet. You know, because I got 100 rack right here in dollars, so that I want to throw at them. Okay. So you see what's up in the night, guys. Okay. A joke, man, a bad.
Alright guys, so we finally reached home and I'm just gonna end off the vlog right now. As always, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for today, our spontaneous trip to Miami and to Fort Lauderdale. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys comment what you guys want to see when I get back to Canada for Vlogmas, and make sure you comment what part of the video you liked. And yeah, wanna just stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 10. Yeah, you don't know it's a go sick, it's a go mad. Coming like the liquor still attacking at me. But anyways, guys, alright, later guys, stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 10. Bye.